Supreme Court has directed Wesley Girls Senior High School to formally respond to allegations that it prevents Muslim students from practicing their religion. The court says these claims raised by private legal practitioner Shafiq Osman lie at the heart of the constitutional case before it. The school has 14 days to file its response. The following report has more.
Plaintiff Shafiq Osman alleges that Wesley Girls Senior High School enforces policies that bar Muslim students from observing their religious practices, including fasting and prayer, and compels them to participate in Methodist worship because the school is owned by the Methodist Church. He argues that these actions amount to systemic discrimination and violations of religious rights. During Tuesday's sitting, the Attorney General applied to withdraw and replace an earlier statement of case, although the panel, chaired by Justice Gabriel Scott Foreman, granted a request. The bench raised concerns that the amended document still failed to address the core factual allegations. The court therefore ordered the first defendant, the Board of Governors of Wesley Girls High School, to respond directly to the specific claims. The panel noted that the allegation that the school prevents Muslim students from practicing their faith is particularly serious and requires clarity. Meanwhile, the Supreme Court has also granted permission to Democracy Hub to file legal submissions as amicus curiae, but only after all parties have filed their respective documents. At the Human Rights Division of the High Court, former BOST Managing Director Edwin Provincial has met his 30 million bail condition and has been released after spending more than 2 weeks in Yoko custody. He was arrested at the Kutuka International Airport while preparing to travel to Mozambique in connection with an alleged case of causing financial loss to the state. His lawyer, Charles Autry, expressed gratitude to supporters who showed concern during his client's time in custody.
Well, he was admitted to bail by the court, and the bail was a reduction from 60 million to 30 million. The variation also occurred that there should be two sureties, one to be justified. Finally, we've met the justification with landed property for 30 million Ghana cedis. And he's met all the conditions, and so it's time for him to go.
Has he been aware of the support he's received, and what is his reaction to that?
Well, he's very thankful, and you can see he needs to get home.
In a separate development, an executive assistant at the African Continental Free Trade Area Secretariat, Antoinette Ama-Abuachi, has been arraigned before Circuit Court 3 on charges of defrauding by false pretenses. Prosecutors allege she diverted 221,000 Ghana cedis meant for a ticket procurement investment into his sports betting account. She pleaded not guilty and was granted 200,000 Ghana cedis bail with 3 sureties, 2 of whom must be close relatives, with 1 required to justify the bail.
And more